Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add variations to your eBay listings, which is perfect if you are selling items that come in different sizes, colors, or styles. This makes your listings look more professional, helps buyers compare options easily, and can even boost your sales. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open your browser and type in eBay. Click the first result, which will forward you to the eBay website itself. Now, you can simply log in using your credentials, but if this is your first time in eBay, this is the perfect opportunity for you to create an account. You can choose from a personal eBay account or a business. Now, to make the account creation faster and easier, you can use any of the following options. You can sign up using your Google, your Apple, or your Facebook, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account here in eBay, I want you to head over to the eBay Seller Hub. Now, for you to be able to access that, I want you to click the Sell option at the top right corner, which will forward you to an option to make an item listing. I want you to click that blue button, and what will happen is you need to open or create a draft if you already have one so that you can add variations to both new and existing listings. If you don't have any listing yet, I want you to start your listing by selling the product that you wanted. You see that there is like steps 1 to 3. For now, we're gonna, let's say I'm gonna sell something like for a sneaker, and click the search button. If you can't find anything here, all right, just click the done button for now. And then there is an option here that says select the condition of your item. Is it gonna be like brand new, like new, very good, good, acceptable? For now, I'm gonna click the brand new option and continue to the listing. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the editor so that you can customize your listing. All right. Now, it's important to understand that you should choose a product category that supports variations like clothing, shoes, accessories, or any item that naturally comes in different versions, because you have to understand not all categories allow variations. For example, a book, right? So you make sure you pick one that does. You would notice that there is a 3 dots icon on the top right corner. I want you to click on it, and there's going to be a gear settings. Now, you need to make sure that the variations option is turned on. Okay, because this is where you can set up different product options like size, color, or material. As you can see, you can list different variations of the item right here. And then once you've done that, I want you to complete all these steps necessarily. You can add a photos and video. We're gonna do that right now. Make sure that the photos that has been uploaded meets the minimum requirement. Okay, so for example, if you're selling a t-shirt in red, make sure the color is red. All right, add the corresponding photo for each color so customers can see exactly what they are buying. And after that, you have down below, you can put in the title for that, the item category. You can change your item category here, but for now, I'm going to stick to the sneakers, which is under the shoe department. Of course, you can have the item specific. You can choose the required brand, color, department, and a lot more. And then you hover down below. You want to make sure that all corresponding information are correct and reflects all the information that is for your listing. Now, if you notice your variations aren't showing, double check your category again or refresh your listing. Also, it's going to be clear that to use photos and consistent titles for better SEO and customer trust. And after that, all I have to do is click the list it button or save for later, or if you wanted to preview, it's okay, it's up to you. And basically, that's it for today's video. Now we have just learned how to add variations to your eBay listings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.